Hello everyone. I am Dr. Khushbu Saxena and I have done my BHMS in 2017 and have been practicing homeopathy since 2018. I have also worked as a subject matter expert in CHEC of anatomy and physiology. Today we are going to study about the human physiology. So let's get started. Now let's start with the definition that what is human physiology. Human physiology is the science that deals with the study of normal functioning of the human body. How the normal thing happens in a human body is the thing that we study in human physiology. Without physiology, we cannot understand what is the function of our body, how our body works. Okay, so let me tell you something. There is a branch physiology is related, which is related to physiology, that is anatomy. In anatomy, we study the normal structure of the human body. Okay, how the structure is formed, what is the shape of the structure, how many bones, muscles, everything we study that. But in physiology, we study how all those things works, what is the function of that thing, why it is in that shape. Okay, for example, if we talk about the liver, in anatomy we will study that liver is triangular in shape, it is situated in the right hypochondrium. But in physiology, we will study what are the hormones that is produced by liver, what is the functions of the liver, how the liver works. Okay, all these things we will study in the human physiology. Now, who is the father of human physiology? The father of human physiology is Claude Bernard. He is known as the father of human physiology. Now we will discuss about the branches of human physiology. The branches of human physiology are plant physiology, animal physiology, clinical physiology, comparative physiology, and human physiology, as we all know. In human physiology, we study about the functions of human being, normal functions. In plant physiology, we study about the functions of plant physiology. Okay, functions of plant. In animal physiology, we study about the functions of organs of animals, normal functions. In comparative, we compare from the animal to the plant to the human physiologically. Okay, and in clinical, we study about the some facts that is not related to physiology and becomes pathology. How the physiological thing become pathological. Pathological means diseased part. Okay, but it is not important to discuss it right now. We will discuss it later, because anatomy, physiology and pathology, all the things are related to each other. So now we have discussed about the branches of physiology. It is very important for you to know that what is human physiology. It is very important to you to understand. I am going to tell you a few examples for that. So listen, we know that our heart has 4 chambers. Okay, now we know that all these 4 chambers are responsible for the blood pumping, but how that works, this is the thing that we have to discuss in physiology. This is the thing that we study in physiology. How the heart works, how the blood flow. Do you know that our heart hold the blood of our body within 1 minute? Yes, it is very fascinating. It is very amazing how the human body works. It is very important to understand it. Okay, and in the video that I am going to tell you some more things about physiology. For example, we go to the gym and we do the weightlifting. Yes, because we have to grow our biceps and triceps. But do you know how that grows? It is not a magic. It is just normal physiology. It is normal physiology. What happens that when we start pumping our weight, lifting our weight, what happens that the ATPs in our muscles releases, the muscles expand. What happens is a very detailed information that definitely we are going to discuss. So please guys, come and join me to the lecture of human physiology, where you can get knowledge of so many things. There are so many things in a human body that is we don't know, and we have to discuss, and we have to know how the body works, how the normal functioning of the body happens, how heart beats, how eyes blink, and how we smile. Okay, All these things we have to study. All these things we study in our subject human physiology. That is I am going to teach you. So please join me. Thank you very much. I am Dr. Khushbu Saxena. Goodbye.